Hello, welcome back to Kate's Sales YouTube. Let's find out about sales happily with me. Let's start.
Hello, Opa, welcome back to Kate's channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that is often overlooked when it comes to salespeople and their job performance: smoking. Smoking not only has detrimental effects on your health, but it can also impact your work in several ways. If you're a salesperson and you smoke, keep watching to find out why quitting smoking is crucial to your success. Negative effects of smoking on salespeople. Smoking can have a significant impact on salespeople's job performance. Firstly, it can lead to decreased energy and endurance, making it difficult to keep up with the fast-paced and demanding nature of sales. This can affect your ability to communicate effectively with clients, resulting in lost sales and missed opportunities. Secondly, smoking can impair your sense of smell and taste, which are essential for accurately describing the products or services you're selling. This can lead to misunderstandings, lack of trust, and ultimately, lost sales. Lastly, frequent smoking breaks or being out of breath while talking to clients can give the impression of unprofessionalism and disinterest. This can cause clients to lose trust in you and your abilities as a salesperson, resulting in negative reviews and decreased sales. Benefits of quitting smoking for salespeople. Quitting smoking can lead to numerous benefits for salespeople. For one, it can increase your energy and endurance, making it easier to keep up with the demands of the job. You'll be able to communicate more effectively with clients, resulting in more successful sales and satisfied customers. Additionally, quitting smoking can improve your sense of smell and taste, which are essential for accurately describing products and services to clients. This can lead to increased client satisfaction and more sales. Tips for successfully quitting smoking. If you're a salesperson looking to quit smoking, here are some tips and strategies that may help. Firstly, create a support system by reaching out to colleagues, friends, or family members who have quit smoking before for advice and encouragement. They can provide you with tips, motivation, and support throughout your journey. Secondly, consider joining support groups or online forums to connect with others who are going through the same process. This can help you stay motivated and receive support from others who understand what you're going through. Finally, using nicotine replacement therapy, such as nicotine gum or patches, can be an effective way to reduce cravings and make the quitting process more manageable. Conclusion. In conclusion, quitting smoking is crucial for salespeople's job performance and overall health. Smoking can lead to decreased energy, impaired senses, and unprofessionalism, which can result in lost sales and negative reviews. By quitting smoking, salespeople can experience increased energy and endurance, improved senses, and better communication with clients, leading to increased sales and satisfied customers. If you're a salesperson looking to quit smoking, remember to create a support system, join support groups, and consider using nicotine replacement therapy to make the process more manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.
Please help me keep posting videos. Subscribe and like button. Please. Set the notification, you can watch the new video. Thank you.